Yes, my DJ Too Bad, better than bad. Remember, say, I was welcome to the second hour of the Z Dancehall Empire show on ZFM Stereo. My station, your set production again one more time, my selector. I will say balance. Remember, the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. Yeah, man, the biggest secret to success is never to give up. Trust me, man. If you don't give up in life, definitely you make it, yeah, man, in the long run. So make sure you don't give up. Get the youths, yeah, man, hold your head high up. Yeah, man, up there, up there. Let go the one again, one more time. I beat you Chronics from top.
So even when the road get rocky, I said me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in.
Rhythm called the Tropical Escape Rhythm.
I said don't get going. Don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No, Rastafari guide like a knife from the beginning. A lot of youths in life say them can't take the pressure no more. But from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, I'm sure. The youth you look on the roadside, Babylon say we take up your bag and way. Why? No, but we still not give up. Me say we solid as a rock like a land.
Big up Ross Fatigues listening in Cape Town via live streaming. Big up Elder Paul Shambare listening in Victoria Falls. I see you. Big up Tino Tender Ishe, DJ iRock. I say fire. Remember you can follow ZFM Stereo on Facebook, on Twitter, also on Facebook, Instagram, ZFM Stereo. You can also follow Bishop Palmer, yeah, man, there on Facebook, Instagram, as well as DJ Too Bad. We're there.
Oh, police now get paid, so them find it hard to serve and protect. And all we get from the government is highlight bits and robust taxes, and them still a pressure the youth to run it out.
One thing I love about the Rasta youth is that they don't use weapons to fight back their enemies. As a Rasta youth, we don't use any weapons, not a gun, not a knife. We simply use our knees, go down on our knees and pray. We use prayer. Prayer is the biggest weapon, trust me, man. We are going to chant them down, lyrically, spiritually. Jah Rastafari.
I said my people, we've been facing struggles for so long. Jah people, please me, I beg you, please could you hold on? I know the system have you down and you feel pressed down like 50 feet. The sweet, but I'm still not give up, we just kiss with it.
0731-168-045. That is the WhatsApp number. What are you doing? What are you up to? Let me know. It's a good look, a beautiful Saturday afternoon. But I'm loving the weather, Jano Star. The weather fine. Big up you to Nat Squad. And the Bunza Bishop Palmer.
Good vibes in the place, no one watching. nice. Think we just wanna fight tonight. When tomorrow comes, we don't worry about the things that's on our mind. But tonight we're gonna feel alright. So think we just wanna fight tonight. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna fight tonight. To all our friends who passed away, and they're shining down, we miss you still. With poetry, 'cause we don't wanna worry about wrong or right. So maybe we just wanna fight tonight. The reggae music's making time it feels so nice. Maybe we just wanna fight.
Yeah, man, trust me, man, I'm not telling no lie. I'm Mr. Respect and Manners. I was a one love, one God, one end, one destiny. Some people are sending in their requests. They want to hear some Richie Spice, some Busy Signal, some Bounty Killer, some Beanie Man. Someone hear some tunes come from Alkaline. Definitely, may go squeeze in. May go do one can do. Too bad, make sure you post 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 special requests coming through on the WhatsApp platform, as well as on the Facebook. Be able to everybody taking some time to comment, writing something positive on the social media. I was a Respect and Manners, respect to the maximum. It's all about Alaine.
So maybe we just wanna fight tonight. 'Cause it's making time it feels so sweet.
So I just made a discovery today that so many people are in their blankets. Especially this brethren, Simon pachitungiza hapa. And in the room gumbeze, tutera show yenyu. Ndijifunga simbi yangu, Noreen. Shout out to Noreen. Message coming through from Simon. Real. Big up Rustlings listening as well. And Makaipa. Big up you Evans listening in Rusape. And nice reggae music. Remember, we're in the second hour of the Z Down to Empire show. And from 4 p.m. straight down to 6 p.m. we're playing some brand new and exclusive Zim Dance tunes. And today I'll be having an interview with one of the fastest rising Zim Dance artists. He's going to be in the studio today, so make sure you catch on this one exclusive interview, which will be coming through at around 4 p.m. So make sure you don't go anywhere. CFM Stereo, my such and your station.
Girl, you're so fine. Think we really need to spend more time. See clear, God, I love you, you're not blind. If it was a felony, be charged with the crime. Girl, don't play with my mind. I will be there, will never treat you unkind. I'm yours, so girl, just be mine. Tell you, say me love you from a long, long time.
Say you love me, no one.
Don't get it twisted. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a very, very beautiful thing. Me not tell no lie. I can agree. I can second on this one. I was let love lead the way. Let love lead the way.
Boy, I adore you.
Love.
that tune again one more time, my DJ. Yeah, man, this is the Bubble Man Lutan Fire with a tune called what? I feel like skanking. You know, remember, say, yeah, man, a Rastaman, when you get to look at a Rastaman, they don't do those energetic kind of dances. They just skank the one drop dance, you know, so just lifting the right leg and the left leg. Yeah, man, John Oster, I don't even know how to explain this, but you know, if who feels it knows it. Those real Bubble Man, they know how to skank. Yeah, man, easy skanking. Yeah, man, trust me, man, conscious reggae music. Music with a feeling and music with a feeling on ZFM stereo. Kick the one again, a big tune, from top. Big up Wilton Mugadza. You're streaming live.
Scan to the reggae music. Lord, Lord, I feel like grooving. Lord, groove to the reggae music. Lord, Lord, go on and scan with me, listen. Lord, Lord, I'm gonna make you mine if it takes all night. Lord, Lord, spend some time with me, listen. Let me love you till you can't take no more. Lord, 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 Lord.
I tell them reggae make you rock, rock. Reggae make you rock some more. I say rubber, dub. It's a wonderful feeling, wonderful feeling. I tell them reggae make you rock. Reggae make you rock some more. I say rubber, dub. Reggae make you rock some more. Having fun this time around. To the sweet reggae sound. Smiling faces, no see no frown. To get your hand way on the ground. Yeah. Feel the vibe when everybody gather round. Oh yo. Select the string it up, we want to hear the sound. Oh yo. See man and woman, them a rock. Everybody feel a vibe, nobody a not get stuck. No play with music, it's Robert Nesta said that. So pull up the man from top. The man and name reggae make you rock. Reggae make you rock some more. I say rubber, dub. Reggae make you rock some more. Having fun this time around. To the sweet reggae sound. Smiling faces, no see no frown. To get your hand way.
Mr. Business Signal. Reggae make you rock. But one thing that I've learned, that I've discovered during my research, yeah man, in life, freedom is a must. Yeah man, it is your right to be free, but freedom comes with a price. Me not tell no lies, straight, see? So right now I'm gonna play one of my favorite tunes, coming from Mr. Busy Signal, and it goes something like this. Too bad, mix me now.
Yeah. Martin Luther Black, Malcolm X Black, Tostiavic Black, Malcolm Black.
The Z Dance All Empire with Tupad and Abisha Palmer on Z.
I will live and great, some of the greatest people in African history of Jamaica. So free all black people, live all black people. I ain't not sure someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in the bring them shout.
Big up to DJ Fuji, I see you. Big up Eric Chipeta, I see you as well. Rhythm called the Cold Heart Rhythm. It's all about General Degree. Before Degree head from Denique, and before Denique head from BC Signal.
Forever in your arms, forever I will be, forever making love, making love to me, forever in my heart, I'll take you everywhere, forever I will be, making love to me. And when that sweet love they finger, it made me want to put the ring by your finger. Are you alone, me want as me passenger? Every day, every month, on the calendar. None of we friend every come round a hinder.
Yeah man, ask you before, what are you doing on this beautiful lovely Saturday afternoon? Are you throwing a party? Are you celebrating a birthday? Whatsoever, please just let me know what you're doing on this Saturday afternoon. I need to know. Send those views and comments, shout outs as well. 0731-168-045, that's the number to get in touch with me. And the big up Bishop and DJ too, but Moripa Hasha. Messages coming through on the WhatsApp platform. Keep them coming in, keep them flowing in.
Make love to me. Make love what you're doing. Fingers stepping on me here like you're some going. Never but you are dead, no going. No, we can't make this a sweet, sweet, sweet love you're growing. You're high. The loving flame just a burn on. You want to teach me, I learn on.
Hot and cold, you're in and out. You want me and you wanna be friends. Then you want go north and south. So you love her so. Me no wanna do it again. Hey, you know you're hot and cold, in and out. You want me and you wanna be friends. Then you want go north and south. So you love her so. Me no wanna do it again. No, this is what I'm shouting. Why you laughing? When you really acting with. Hey, stop the walking while I'm talking. Stop playing with my feelings. Better you know me and not try to me. Just see me and not see me. Last night we lay down, you turn your back in me. Like you know me and not feel me. You know you're hot and cold, you're in and out. You want me and you wanna be friends. Then you wanna go north and south. So you love her so. Me no wanna do it again. Hey, you know you're hot and cold, in and out.
Mr. Christopher Martin, aka Tatenda. Yeah, my classmate man, he was given this name when he came to Zimbabwe. Chris Martin. Rhythm called the Cold Heart Rhythm. But right about now, I'm gonna boss my favorite tune on this rhythm here. Richie Spice. Richie. Come down, Richie.
Stop. You
Now leave me. Even at a chance, even at a trend. It's the right to say goodbye to me. Now leave me. Even at a chance, even at a trend. It's the right to say goodbye. Just take time for me, you know. What I got to do, what I have to do, because I can't do this no more. With you, it ain't worth it. You need to find something or someone else to occupy your time, because I get.
Shout out to you, Anita. I'm chilling at home. Kukado Mondagachko Sampa 10. The kids, my new boys, Murugona Kura Reggae. Big up to you, Ngoni. And there's my speaker pan, the Tutamba Snooker. The kids were show you. Big up to you, Aaron. And the Ripper Den. The kids were ZFM Stereo.
I say goodbye. I played my part for a very long time to after all the things that I heard of. She don't believe in shooting stars. She believes in shoes and cars, and only about extenders. Baby girl apart, she profile like a star. Fall in love, she really with a scar. No, she won't surrender.
Big up to you, Shepherd, Willow, Bodies and family listening right now. Big up to you, Starboy, listening as well.
Wanna take on the first class flights, and she's a child. Shortly after that, she coming with the drama. Now you're lonely, cause it's